Hey, so welcome to this new video about Pinterest marketing strategy and how to set up your account. So first of all, what I want to tell you is set up your business account, not normal account. And if you have a normal account, you can actually convert it into business account, okay? There are gonna be 3 different blog posts that I created below this video, and I do advise you to go read from start to finish all of them, all 3 of them, okay? Excuse me. But yeah, I'm not gonna say everything in this video because that's why I made the blog posts. So okay, first thing is create a Pinterest business account. Now, because we all know that Pinterest is a search engine, not social media, as a search engine, you need to use keywords. Now, if you don't know what a keyword is, I'm going to show you. It's social media marketing tips. It's just a bunch of words, and this is, by the way, long tail keyword. A short tail keyword would be social media. But as you know, social media, it's really hard to rank for short tail keywords like social media. It's way easier if you just write social media marketing tips, right? But here's the thing, you're probably not in the same niche as I am. So where do you find keywords? It's simple. Just go on search and type in the niche that you're in. So let's say we're gonna use goats. We're just gonna use this, okay? And by the way, if you didn't watch the first video, go back, watch it, and do your homework that I gave you in the first video, okay? You need to do that. So I showed you in the first video, there is a niche for goats, okay? Now, how do you find keywords? Basically, when you type in goats, the drop-down menu is gonna show up, and you're gonna have keywords here. So goats funny, goats milk soap recipe, and so on and so on. Excuse me. So if you just type in goats, press enter, this is gonna show up. You know, cute little goats. But keywords are actually here, right? So don't choose the first keywords, you know, so let's say goats, I'm gonna say this one because I don't know what this is, but goats baby goats, right? Is gonna, okay, this is just, oh my god, it's freaking adorable. So baby goats, it's probably hard to rank for that. So what you should do is search for more. So baby goats in PJs, okay. This video is gonna be so funny and so freaking cute. But let's say you're selling pajamas or however you PJs for goats, for baby goats. Okay, you can actually do that. If you're in that niche, as you can see, there's even, oh my god, I didn't even know. Like, I'm shocked. What else is there on Pinterest? So this is a longer tail keyword, right? Goats is really short, but baby goats in PJs is a longer tail keyword, and you're gonna rank your pins faster, okay? So find as many keywords as possible, but long tail keywords, okay? And write them down. Now, I don't know if you're old-fashioned like I am. I love pen and paper and I write everything down, but if you love to write everything on computer, then do that, because you will need all of those keywords later on. So let's go back. Now, let's say you found your keywords. Where do you put them? First of all, in your name. So Big Income Paradise is my brand, but I also included social media marketing tips, which is one long tail keyword, make full-time income from home, another one, right? So put them in your name, put them in the description, but don't just stuff your description with keywords, you know, like baby goats in PJs and stuff like that. But make sentences that, you know, make sense. So in my case, helping female entrepreneurs learn how to use social media marketing to drive traffic and make more sales and full-time income from home, right? So there are a couple of longer tail keywords inside, because you can rank your account on top. Okay, that's what Pinterest is all about: ranking your pins, your boards, and your account. So the next thing, before we move on with keywords, because you're gonna get a full ear of keywords, because I'm always gonna say that, but the next thing that I want you to do is verify your blog. Okay, your URL to your blog or website. You need to verify it so that it is clickable. So if I click on this, and by the way, you're probably on a new blog. I have a new look of my blog, but this is the old one. My new look is not live yet, so that's why you can see this. But actually, if you go now and click on the link in my Pinterest, it's going to go to the new blog. So this is just an example, because you know, my blog, my new look of the blog is not live yet. So you need to do that so that it's clickable. If you don't have a blog, I mean, I do suggest anyone to start blogging, or at least have a website where you can actually share more value, okay? Because people want to see you as an expert, or not that they want to see you. Probably more people will follow you if they see you as an expert in your field. So, you know, having your own website, you're gonna look more professional, right? So do that, and I'm not gonna show you how to do it, because like I said, there are gonna be 3 blog posts below this video. So read them and start creating your account. Now, the next thing that I want you to do is create 10 boards in your niche. Don't go and make a board for your company. So if you're in network marketing, I wouldn't use the company's name, okay? Create a board with, let's say in my case, Big Income Paradise. Then I have marketing freebies for entrepreneurs and bloggers, Pinterest marketing strategies, and so on. If you are in the same niche as I am, how would this look like? Big Income Paradise, marketing freebies, Pinterest marketing, goats. It wouldn't make sense, right? So you want to attract the right audience. So make sure you create 10 different boards that are in your niche, okay? So the next thing, I'm gonna open, let's say this one. So you put keywords, yes, again, I'm gonna say it, long tail keywords in the title of your board and in the description. I have to change this because this is not full description, right? It's not full with keywords. So I have to change it, okay? But make sure, let me see if I have, I think I have, yeah, this one is longer description and it has Pinterest marketing. Pinterest, for example, it's a really quite hard keyword to rank for. So yeah, make more money online. I would say make money online is a keyword, and so on and so on. Pinterest funnels, I think it is. Pinterest optimization, Pinterest SEO, that's all. Those are all keywords. So put keywords in the title and description. And like I said, 10 different boards. Now we're going to go to pins. Why I love Pinterest is because we actually help each other. So I share other people's pins. This is mine and this is mine. And it goes to my blog posts, right? But this is not mine. So if I click on this, I'm not going to do that because I don't have their consent that I can show their pins and blog and so on. I mean, you know, you can't see whose pin it is, right? But still, you can click on it and it has to go to their blog post. Now, here's the thing, what happened to me and probably to many others is basically other people can steal your pins and make them as their own. So, for example, what happened to me, let's say someone stole this pin and sent people to something completely different. So here is a pin, Simple Rules of Content Marketing, and it's about content marketing. So if people click on it and click on it again, it should go to Begin Paradise, 15 Simple Rules of Content Marketing. But if it sends them to, let's say, goats, right, it's not going to make sense. And yes, some people will steal your pins. Just make sure if you figure it out, report them. You can go on Google and search for Pinterest stolen pins, how to report, something like that, because I'm not going to go over that in this videos, okay? You can find anything on Google, okay? So the next thing is obviously pins. As you can see, Pinterest is visual, so create beautiful pins. I am going to show you a little bit about how I create them. It's obvious in Canva, right? But we are here to talk about, again, keywords. So keywords in the title, keywords in the description, as you can see. Now, why do I have two descriptions? It's basically because, and I guess, is it the same? So we have to follow some rules. No, it's basically different. As you can see, two different descriptions. It's because I have set up rich pins. Again, that's going to be in my blog posts below, so you can read more about it. So yeah, make sure you have rich pins. Make sure you verify your URL to your blog. Keywords everywhere, in titles, descriptions, your own name here. Make sure you create beautiful pins, right? Because if something is really not that beautiful, people are not going to click on it. And make sure that you have always in mind that there's mostly women on Pinterest. I'm not saying only women, but mostly. So your targeted audience could be, I mean, it depends what what you're selling, but in most cases, it's going to be mostly women. So make sure, because you know us women, we love beautiful stuff. So make sure you create really beautiful pins. Either way, even if your targeted audience are going to be men, because, you know, it looks way more professional if it's beautifully done, right? So, oh yeah, and by the way, I need to talk about how to gain more followers. So it's super easy. Just find find people, your competition, or find people who are doing really great in your niche. Follow them. Make sure you follow them, because you need to see their posts so that you can, pins, so that you can see how they are doing it. Because if they are successful on Pinterest in your niche, you can probably learn more from them, right? So make sure you follow them, and then go underneath their followers. So you click here. I'm not going to scroll down, but you know, just to make sure that you won't see my followers. Not because I don't want to show them, because you can obviously go there and check it out, but because I'm making a video and I didn't have any consent from anyone, so I don't want to get in trouble. But you go under followers and just start following their followers, okay? Because if you are in the same niche, probably their followers are going to be interested in what you have to say. Excuse me. So yeah. Now the next thing is, because I don't want you to do follow, unfollow, right? When some of their followers follow you, don't unfollow them, okay? Now here's a free, okay, let me go back. So pinfollow.net is a free tool. So just sign in. Yeah, okay, let me see. So you get inside. You click following, you click on this, filter out my followers, so those who follow you back are going to be gone from this list. Those who don't, you can just unfollow them. So you could do this once per month, or maybe once in 2 months, right? So that you don't follow those who don't follow you back, okay? Like I said, this is a free tool. So there is another free tool for 1 month. You can get this one free, which is Tailwind, and all of the links are going to be down below. This one is free. Like I said, PinFollow Tailwind is 1 month free if you get it through my link, and if you pay for it, then I make some commission because I am an affiliate of it. Okay, just so you know, I want to be transparent. So what is Tailwind? It's basically, it's going to help you stay away from laptop as much as possible. So you're going to save a lot of time. This is a really time saver. So what you do is you can actually schedule your pins or someone else's pins too. Like I said, Pinterest is all about helping each other, sharing each other's pins. Just make sure that the links go really to the pin owner, okay, that it doesn't go somewhere to spam or something, and that it has more, it should have more of a keyword rich description. This one doesn't have it as much. You can actually add more to it and save it. I'm not going to do that right now, but just to show you what is possible with this scheduler. So how you can actually, or actually I'm going to make another video so that this one's not going to be too long, and I'm going to show you how to use Tailwind. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and see you in the next video.